Okay, so it says first thing is find the variables. So if we're looking at number 6 on the word problems for today, it says the hourly cost to a police department of using a canine team depends on the hourly cost X in dollars of using a dog and the hourly salary of a handler. Hourly cost of a team of 3 dogs and 2 handlers is $82. The hourly cost of a team of 4 dogs and 4 handlers is $160. Find the hourly cost of using a dog and the hourly salary of a handler. So first we got to come up with our variables. We can say X is our dogs and Y is our handlers. And we can say C is our total cost, right? But they give us that. So the hourly cost for a team of 3 dogs and 2 handlers, so 3x plus 2y is equal to $82. And the hourly cost for a team of 4 dogs, so 4x and 4 handlers, is $160. So there's our 2 equations. Again, we got 2 unknowns. So we can solve for that. So it says find the hourly cost of the dog and the hourly for the handler. So turn it into a matrix. So again, our first matrix, or our A matrix, is our coefficients. We have our X matrix, or what those variables are going to be. So we kind of have our X and our Y is equal to our answers 82 and 160. Again, once we have these 2 matrices set up, we take the inverse of our coefficient matrix times by the answer matrix. So go to your calculator, plug it in, second matrix. So I just want A. Say 2 by 2. So we got 3, 2, 4, and 4. Second matrix B, 2 by 1. And we got 82 and 160. Second quick. So again, inverse of A, matrix A inverse times the matrix B. And we get, for the dogs, A cost, what do you say, $2 an hour. And then for the people, or the handlers, cost us $38 an hour. Okay. So that is our first problem. Any questions on that? So then let's look at our second one. This one's a little bit more thought process. So the sum of 3 numbers is 14. The largest is 4 times the smallest, while the sum of the smallest and twice the largest is 18. Find the 3 numbers. Find the numbers. So first we need to find our variables. I'm going to use S for smallest, M for our middle, and L for our largest. Right? That makes sense. So the sum of 3 numbers is 14. So the sum of our 3 numbers, S plus M plus L, is equal to 14. The largest is, so in this case, the largest, again, is another way of saying equals in our word problems. 4 times the smallest, so 4s, while the sum of the smallest and twice the largest is 18. So the sum of the smallest plus twice the largest is 18. Then it says find the numbers. So we've got these equations. We need to set them up to where we can turn them into a matrix easily. Let's use this first equation kind of as our base. So that would be 1, 1, 1, and 14. Right? So that's the start of our 3 by 3 matrix. I need to turn this one kind of into the same setup as this. And so I have to move my 4s to the other side of the equation. So that would be negative 4s. I don't have that middle term there, so I'm going to say plus 0n, and then plus L is equal to 0, right? I moved my 4s over. So for my matrix, I'm going to have negative 4, it's my first coefficient, 0 on the n, and 1 on the L is equal to 0 on this matrix. I guess I do have that S, M, and L matrix. Okay. And then for the last one, I've got 1 on the small, again 0 on the middle, and 2 for the largest is equal to 18. So there's my matrix equation set up. So again, took what I had, filled out my matrix. So then I'm going to go to my matrix. Go to edit. First one, again, it's a 3 by 3. We got 1, 1, 1, negative 4, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 2. Then I'm going to turn my second matrix, my B matrix, into my answers. So 14. So that is a 3 by 1. We got 14, 0, and 18. So once I have those two matrices put in my calculator, again, inverse of A times B. So my smallest number is equal to 2. My middle number is 4, and my largest is 8. Okay. And does that make sense? We plug these in. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Right, the largest is 4 times the smallest. That checks out. Smallest plus 2 largest, so 2 plus 16 equals 18. Good to go. Any questions on those?